It's early in the morning. This is the start of the Idaho BDR, folks, and we're packed up, ready to go. We're gonna meet everybody, and the journey begins. So look forward to it. Hopefully you guys are too. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright folks, we have started our journey to the Idaho BDR. Meet up with a couple of the mates, and we will be rocking and rolling. Out on the plains of Iowa. Day 2. 900 miles. Paramount. We're in Wyoming, boys. Wyoming. Right there it is. Let's go. Something to be said about our final journey. From Rock Springs, Wyoming, all the way to Jarbidge, Nevada. Stayed at the Homewood Suites. All right, let's get out of here. Oh yeah. Oh, this is pretty cool, dude. Look at this dam. Can we stop here? Is that cool or what? Hell yeah, it's been here for a while. The Barn Motel. Little Jarbidge. Slow down. And there's a jail right there for you. And is it the Red Dog Saloon or what's it called? There it is. Right there. Outdoor Inn. Go saddle my horse up right here. Success, brother. So let me see, hold on. Total miles from the Natty. Let's see, what do I got here? 1890. 1900 miles. Woohoo! All right, boys and girls, we're here. What do you think? 1900 miles.
1,800 miles.
Oh. It looks awesome.
Oh my God, look at these records. Dude, that is scary. Holy shit.
This is cool.
Look at this, dude. There's a shot, there's a pot to piss in.
There's your pot to piss in.
You got your pot to piss in. It's actually very quiet in here.
Cool.
Hey, look at the bed you had to sleep on.
Dude. What could be worse than prison?
Look at this.
Get
Dan.
out my court.
Hey. Shut up in there.
Hey, can I just get a little bit of... I'm just hungry. Can I get some bacon, sir?
Jarbidge jail. I love it.
You know what the better part is? That's solitary confinement because it's got the closed door. This one is the more reasonable one.
Hey, look at this. I swear to God, people probably drank out of this cup.
I'm sure they did.
You got hams?
Of course we do.
Hams. Remember those commercials from the 70s? I love this.
You guys don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
No.
Okay.
I might step on.
He's in a witness protection program. Oh, Dan, come here. Sorry. Come here. This is your shirt, right? Dude, this is yours. The place where shit happens. Smitty. That's
So his name was Schmitty. He
Schmidt.
actually lived here in town.
really.
And he had a clawfoot bathtub that he put in the back of his truck.
Yeah.
And filled it full of ice and beer. And all he did all day was drive up and down the street and visit with people. And
Where did he get the ice,
I
though?
love it.
Oh, there was ice all over
Yeah.
there.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
great.
This is awesome.
I love it.
Dan, you're in heaven now.
I was onto something back here. I can't remember what it was. Oh, I know what it was. Hot tamales. You guys should buy these for tomorrow. Are you eat some of these?
You can't, I know.
You don't like this? Dude, that'll get you going. I don't know why, but I'm gonna buy them. I'll get on in BDR, have some hot tamales. Whoa, look at that block of cheddar.
Mm-hmm. They got some stuff.
Hell yeah. This is great. I love all this stuff.
Yeah, good for you.
What's next?
These are the real ones.
Oh, yeah.
These are the real ones.
Somebody said that they actually used to live where those are from, those case knives. Where, you remember that? Who was that?
What was that?
Somebody we ride
San
with.
Marino?
What?
Yeah.
What kind of knife?
What, do you know where they're
These
made or where the
these are the real
company's from?
ones. Because there's
You
like
have
cheap
probably
ass
have to
Chinese
ask my
versions.
husband.
And these are the real ones.
One of my buddies was like, I'm from where those case knives used to be made, or, you know. I don't know
I
where.
forgot what they are, where they're made.
What's your doggy's name?
Gabriella, we call her Gabby.
Hey, Gabby.
And she's really shy.
Does she hang out with that other small, like, grayish brown one?
Hi, Gabby.
Do you know that
I
dog?
don't know who that one is.
Oh shoot, what was that dog's name? It's a Shih Tzu, but it's not white. It's grayish brown. Maybe it's somebody who's visiting.
Oh, it could be.
Thank you for everything. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Gentlemen, let's go. Start our engines. What's wrong? What did he do? What happened now? You stalled your bike to start with.